Welcome back. In this video, we will look a couple of questions on cosine rule. When it comes to cosine rule, there are two types of questions. First type, they will give you two sides and the angle between the two sides, and we'll be asked to find the one of the missing sides. If you remember cosine rule, we have two formulas. Actually, we have one formula, which is a squared equal b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. And if you want to find the angle, we can make cos a subject, so that will give you this equation. So we need to find the opposite side. If we say that is a, so the a squared is, let's say this is b and this is c and this is a, right? A squared is b squared, which is 8 squared plus c squared. So we are going to use this formula. 9 squared minus 2 times 8 times 9, and the angle between the two given side is 42 degree. And if you put everything in your calculator, you will get an answer which is 37.98, which is equal to a squared. So a equals square root of 37.98, which is equal to 6.16 centimeter. Let's move on to next type of question. They have given you all three sides. We have been asked to find the missing angles. Okay, let me show you how to do this one. So they're asking for missing angles, so we need to use the second version of the cosine rule. So cos A is, what is it, b squared. B squared is 6 squared plus c squared 10 squared minus a squared 6.5 squared divided by 2 times bc, 2 times 6 times 10, 0.7813. So in order to find a is nothing but cos inverse 0.7813, which is equal to 38.62 degree. Now we found A. In order to find B, what we can do, we can write the formula, which is cos B is equal to a squared plus c squared minus b squared divided by 2ac. Right? If you use this formula, you can find the angle for B, which would be 35.2 degree. Okay. Now, in order to find the third one, we don't need to redo everything, because C is actually 180 degree minus A minus B, which is 180 degree minus 38.62 minus 35.2, which would give you 106.2 degree, 1 decimal point accuracy.